Alright guys, well we've got a E5 code, which is a compressor overcurrent. Now we got to see, it wants us to go through the compressor, I've already verified the wiring, checks out, which is step one of that process. If you don't have it, the Daikin app really helps with all this. Also, they wanted us to verify our stop valves are open, which they should be, but I will verify here. Open. And open. Okay, so the stop valves are open. Next, I'm gonna actually come up here to the inverter, and I'm gonna do my wire testing up here. I'm gonna pull off of the inverter first. Now, one thing I already did was took my meter and tested these points after I gave it several minutes to discharge these capacitors. If you jump in here and start playing around too fast, these things will pop you. Alright, so the first test it wants is a meg check. That compressor body is very, very hot, by the way. So there's definitely something going on. What I'm worried is, and what the most likely cause of this issue is that it's a bad compressor, whether it be electrical or it could be seized for whatever reason. But I'm hoping I can work a miracle and bring this thing back to life. Alright. 250 volts on the megger. That's good at 250, 500. 500 tests good. So, meg check passes. That's a good sign. I'm going to switch over to ohms. See if it'll pass an ohm test. It shows 2 ohms. Alright, so the windings tested good, winding to winding, and doing our meg check. So see, our valves are open, our wires are correct, our winding tests good. Alright, so on the VRV, it turns out the main PCB had been what failed. So the compressor checked out, everything looked good. I went to do the diode test on the PCB board between incoming power and the leaving UVW, and I was getting just OL all the way around. So there's two different tests. You can either do diode or you can do resistance. I did both. They both came to the same result of just failed board. In the resistance test, I couldn't get any resistance through it at all. And then the diode test, no matter how I positioned my leads, positive, negative, negative, positive, switched it around, I wasn't getting any of the diode checks that I was supposed to get. It was just showing OL the whole time. It does state in the manual to where you want to give it several minutes holding it on there in case you know, you have any kind of a discharge issue. But I did that and didn't really change anything at all. So anyway, Monday morning we'll try to reach out to the factory, see what availability is. I'm pretty sure these systems are still under warranty. They weren't put in too long ago. They were put in by another company, but we ended up taking the account since then. So anyway, guys, appreciate it.